Greetings everyone and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at applying a multiple action adjustment. Multiple actions can be used to make bulk changes to an employee or a group of employees over a date range. Adjustments are added for missing time or absence. Once we have logged into Jarrison Time, let's first have a look at working with a single employee. We'll start by selecting the employee from the employee list. Then click on Multiple Actions found on the menu bar, then Adjustments, and the Multiple Adjustment window will open. Let's begin with the adjustment settings on the left side, which contain the same options when applying an adjustment from the Daily Details window. We will first choose the type of adjustment that we want to work with. Then we will use the next drop-down to determine how time will be allocated. Unless we use the custom time, then we will insert the desired amount. In addition, there are a few tick boxes that we can use if necessary. Below that is an area for adding a comment for the adjustments. In our case, preset selections are available in the drop-down box as well. Note that the comments can be edited by going to Setup, then Reasons, and finally Adjustment Reasons. Next, we will work with the date range. To begin, we will select the from date from the calendar, followed by selecting the end date from the calendar as well. Once that is done, we have two tick boxes that we can work with. For today's example, we're going to be using the skip non-working days. After completing our settings, we will take a look at the two buttons located at the bottom left of the screen. The button on the left-hand side is used to apply the current settings to the selected employee. On the other hand, the bottom on the right-hand side is used to remove the adjustment within the current settings. In this particular example, we are going to click on the Add Adjustment button. Once the system has applied the adjustment successfully, a notification will appear on the window. This notification will inform us about the adjustment that has been applied and the number of employees that it has applied it to. After that, we can then click on the Close button. Now let's go over how to apply an adjustment for multiple employees. To start, we head to the icon bar and click on the filter icon. This will bring up the filters window, where we can select the filter that we would like to work with. Once done, we can click on the load button found at the top right of this window. Then we need to ensure that our employee list is selected on all employees in filter. And once done, we can open up the multiple adjustments window again. In this window, we will notice that it now shows all employees instead of just one. We can then choose the type of adjustment that we want to work with, the time to allocate, and a comment if we would like. Then we can work with the date range, and we can click on the Add Adjustments button once again. The system will then process. Once done, it will show us again the type of adjustment used as well as the amount of employees that it was applied to. After that, we can then click on the Close button and go on working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.